Okay, it's highly unlikely that you have this problem. If you do, you don't have it to this extent. But it might be interesting just to see how much of a difference this makes after I'm done doing this. Okay, so what the issue is, it's my garage door. It sounds kind of like a train going off the rails. It hasn't had a whole lot of maintenance in the past like 25 years I've been here. I think I might have tried to make it quiet a couple of times using water displacement 40, WD-40. That doesn't really work. And what it does is all the dust and crap just sticks to the WD-40 and just kind of makes a mess. So first thing I want to do is try one of them sound things on my phone and see how loud it actually is. Okay, so what I did so far is I blew it all off with a compressor in the air. Just blew the dust and crap off and pressure washed it. Got a little bit wet in here, but I'd done that previous. So now we're gonna try this. I didn't know this kind of stuff even existed. I just happened to be walking through a hardware store and I noticed it and I thought, garage door lube. 3-in-1. Well, I've heard of 3-in-1 before, but I think all it is it's like a silicone-based lubricant. So let's see how it works. I was kind of looking around, wow, there's around 30 different moving parts that I have to spray. So I'll get to that and I'll do that really fast. If I can get this straw off of here. Uh-oh. I guess they don't know I'm in British Columbia. Here in Canada, plastic straws are illegal. Which is a funny thing. Cocaine is legal, but the straw you sniff it out of is illegal. That's kind of how backwards Canada is. All right. Now I could put the door down, but then it'll get kind of dark in here and you won't be able to see. It's getting quieter and quieter, but it just has to keep going up and down for a few hundred times. So whatever a decibel is, it's 4 of those quieter. Not very much difference. I missed a couple of spots. Now, I don't know if you can notice that, but it's really quiet until it gets to a certain point and then it gets loud. Might take some investigating here. Come on in, Ben. You're a good boy, Ben. Oh, no way. You're covered in... No, you're dirty boy. I'm not going to give you belly rub. You're dirty. Anyways, it did make it a bit quieter. Not as much as I would have liked, but I think over time it's going to even get quieter yet. So we'll see. Thanks for watching.